Hi, this is Mr. Capper. This video I'm going to show you how to model the nut that helps hold on the flight controller to your drone. You're going to create a sketch. You're going to change the units of measure. My computer's acting up. To millimeters. I'm going to start with a circle, so you can use the shortcut C, or as always you can do it the long way through the menu. This is 2.5 millimeters. You have to zoom in, and then I want to do a polygon for the outside of it. Click in the center of your circle, pull out, and then you want this to be 2.8 millimeters. Stop the sketch. Hit E for extrude, or use the extrude button. You want to just extrude this outer portion, not the middle, and extrude it by 1.8 millimeters. And then lastly, you're going to want to add thread to this. So under create, use thread. And then this is something that always drives me nuts, is you have to click this model button or it doesn't do it. I have no clue why that has that feature, but hit OK. And this should be finished. Make sure you save this into your drone folder when you're done. Let me know if you have any additional questions.